Welcome! If you're running a startup, managing your social media presence can feel overwhelming. With so many platforms and tools available, it's crucial to pick the right social media management software to streamline your efforts and maximize your impact. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step checklist designed specifically for startups. Whether you're just launching or looking to scale, these practical steps will help you make an informed decision and set your team up for social media success. Let's dive into the process together, starting with understanding your unique needs. The first step is to clearly define your social media goals. Are you aiming to build brand awareness, drive website traffic, generate leads, or provide customer support? Knowing your objectives will help you determine which features are most important in a management tool. For example, if engagement is your top priority, look for platforms with robust analytics and scheduling capabilities. If customer service is key, prioritize tools with strong monitoring and response features. Take time to write down your goals, as they'll guide every decision you make moving forward. Next, identify which social media platforms are most relevant to your startup. Are your customers on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok? Not all management tools support every platform, so make a list of the channels you plan to use. This will help you quickly eliminate software options that don't fit your needs. Consider where your audience spends their time and which platforms align with your brand's voice and content style. This step ensures you focus only on tools that truly support your marketing strategy. Budget is a critical factor for startups. Determine how much you can realistically spend on social media management software each month or year. Some tools offer free plans with limited features, while others require a subscription. Be honest about your financial constraints and prioritize essential features over extras. Remember, investing in the right tool can save you time and resources in the long run, but you don't want to overspend. Make a note of your budget range before moving to the next step. Now, create a checklist of must-have features for your startup. Common essentials include post scheduling, analytics, team collaboration, content calendar, and social listening. Depending on your goals, you might also need integration with other tools, customer support features, or automation capabilities. Write down your non-negotiables so you can quickly filter out options that don't meet your requirements. This step will save you time and ensure you focus on software that truly fits your workflow. With your goals, platforms, budget, and feature list in hand, start researching available social media management tools. Popular options for startups include Buffer, Hootsuite, Sprout Social, and Later. Visit their websites, read user reviews, and check out comparison articles. Pay attention to user experience, customer support, and how frequently the software is updated. This research phase is crucial for narrowing down your shortlist to the most promising candidates. Before you get too excited about a particular tool, double-check that it supports all the social media platforms you use. Some tools may not integrate with newer or niche platforms. Review the official documentation or reach out to customer support if you're unsure. Ensuring compatibility now will prevent headaches later and guarantee that your workflow remains seamless across all your channels. A user-friendly interface can make a huge difference, especially for busy startup teams. Sign up for free trials or watch demo videos to get a feel for each tool's dashboard and navigation. Look for intuitive layouts, clear labeling, and easy access to key features. If a tool feels clunky or confusing, it may slow down your team and reduce productivity. Choose software that feels comfortable and efficient for everyone who will use it. If your startup has multiple team members managing social media, collaboration features are essential. Check if the software allows you to assign roles, approve posts, and communicate within the platform. Some tools offer shared calendars, task assignments, and internal messaging. These features help keep everyone on the same page and streamline your content creation process. Make sure the tool supports the level of teamwork your startup needs. Analytics are vital for measuring your social media performance. Look for tools that offer detailed reports on engagement, reach, follower growth, and content performance. Some platforms provide customizable dashboards and exportable reports, making it easy to share insights with your team or investors. The right analytics features will help you track progress toward your goals and adjust your strategy as needed. Efficient scheduling is a game changer for startups. Evaluate how each tool handles post scheduling. Can you plan posts in advance, set recurring content, or use a visual calendar? Some tools offer drag and drop scheduling, bulk uploads, and time zone management. These features save time and help maintain a consistent posting schedule even when your team is busy with other tasks. Some social media management platforms include built-in content creation tools, such as image editors, video makers, or template libraries. These can be especially helpful for startups with limited design resources. Check if the software offers these features or integrates with popular design tools. Having everything in one place can streamline your workflow and help you produce high-quality content quickly. Automation can save your startup valuable time. Look for tools that offer automated posting, content recycling, or even AI-powered suggestions for optimal posting times. Some platforms can automatically respond to common messages or flag important comments. Automation features help you maintain an active presence without constant manual effort, freeing up your team for higher-level strategy. Your social media tool should fit seamlessly into your existing workflow. Check if it integrates with other software you use, such as CRM systems, email marketing platforms, or project management tools. Integrations can help you centralize data, automate processes, and avoid duplicate work. Make a list of your current tools and see which social media platforms offer the best compatibility. Security is especially important for startups handling sensitive data. Check if the software offers secure logins, data encryption, and compliance with privacy regulations. Look for features like two-factor authentication and user access controls. Protecting your accounts and customer information should always be a top priority when choosing any digital tool. Reliable customer support can be a lifesaver, especially if you encounter technical issues or need help setting up. Test the support options for each tool. Do they offer live chat, email, or phone support? How quickly do they respond? Check user reviews for feedback on support quality. Good customer service can make your experience much smoother and help you resolve problems quickly. Once you've narrowed down your options, review the pricing plans in detail. Look for hidden fees, user limits, or feature restrictions on lower-tier plans. Some tools offer discounts for startups or annual billing. Make sure you understand what's included at each price point and whether you can upgrade as your team grows. This step ensures you get the best value for your investment. Most social media management tools offer free trials or demo accounts. Take advantage of these to test the software in real-world conditions. Invite your team to try out the features, create sample posts, and explore the dashboard. This hands-on experience will help you spot any deal breakers and confirm that the tool meets your needs before you commit. After testing, gather feedback from everyone who used the trial. Ask about their experience with the interface, features, and overall usability. Did the tool help them work more efficiently? Were there any frustrations or missing features? Collecting input from your team ensures you choose software that works for everyone, not just the decision maker. With feedback in hand, compare your top contenders side by side. Create a simple comparison chart, listing features, pricing, pros, and cons for each tool. This visual overview makes it easier to spot which software best matches your startup's needs. Don't rush this step. Take time to weigh the trade-offs and make a confident, informed choice. As your startup grows, your social media needs will evolve. Make sure the software you choose can scale with you. Look for flexible pricing, support for more users, and advanced features you might need later. Scalability ensures you won't have to switch tools as your business expands, saving you time and hassle in the future. In today's fast-paced world, managing social media on the go is often necessary. Check if the software offers a mobile app or responsive web interface. Test the mobile experience to ensure you can schedule posts, monitor engagement, and respond to messages from your phone or tablet. Mobile capabilities are especially important for startups with remote or traveling teams. Software that's regularly updated is more likely to stay secure and add new features. Check the company's update history and product roadmap. Are they actively improving the tool? Do they listen to user feedback? Choosing a platform with a clear vision for the future ensures your investment will continue to pay off as social media trends evolve. A smooth onboarding process can help your team get up to speed quickly. Check if the software offers tutorials, documentation, or live training sessions. Good onboarding resources reduce the learning curve and help you make the most of the tool's features from day one. This is especially important for startups with limited time and resources. A strong user community can be a valuable resource for troubleshooting and best practices. Check if the software has active forums, user groups, or online resources. Community support can help you solve problems faster and learn new ways to use the tool effectively. It's also a sign that the company values its users and fosters engagement. Every startup is unique, so customization can be a big advantage. Check if the software allows you to tailor dashboards, reports, or workflows to fit your needs. Customization helps you focus on the metrics and features that matter most to your business, making your social media management more efficient and effective. If your startup has technical resources, API access can unlock even more possibilities. APIs allow you to build custom integrations, automate tasks, or pull data into your own systems. Check if the software offers a well-documented API and whether it fits your technical needs. This feature is especially valuable for startups planning to scale or build unique workflows. Social listening helps you monitor brand mentions, industry trends, and competitor activity. Some management platforms include built-in listening tools, while others integrate with third-party services. Evaluate how each tool tracks keywords, hashtags, and sentiment. Social listening can provide valuable insights for your marketing strategy and help you respond quickly to opportunities or crises. If your startup requires content approval before publishing, check if the software supports customizable approval workflows. This feature allows you to set up multi-step reviews, assign approvers, and track the status of each post. Approval workflows help maintain brand consistency and prevent mistakes, especially as your team grows. Startups often manage multiple social media accounts for different brands or projects. Ensure the software can handle multiple accounts without confusion. Look for features like account grouping, easy switching, and clear labeling. Multi-account management keeps your workflow organized and prevents accidental posting to the wrong channel. Timely notifications help you stay on top of engagement and urgent issues. Check if the software offers customizable notifications for comments, messages, or mentions. Some tools allow you to set notification preferences by channel or team member. Effective notifications ensure you never miss important interactions with your audience. A built-in content library can help you organize images, videos, and post templates. Check if the software offers media storage, tagging, and search features. A good content library streamlines your workflow, making it easy to find and reuse assets for future campaigns. Tracking individual post performance helps you understand what resonates with your audience. Look for tools that provide detailed analytics for each post, including reach, engagement, and click-through rates. This data helps you refine your content strategy and focus on what works best for your startup. Sometimes you'll need to share reports or content calendars with stakeholders. Check if the software allows you to export data in various formats or share dashboards with team members and investors. Easy sharing options improve transparency and keep everyone informed about your social media progress. Engaging with your audience is key to building relationships. Look for tools that help you manage comments, messages, and reviews from one place. Some platforms offer sentiment analysis or automated responses. These features help you stay responsive and build a loyal community around your startup. Depending on your industry, compliance with regulations like GDPR may be necessary. Check if the software offers compliance features, such as data retention controls or audit logs. These tools help you meet legal requirements and protect your startup from potential risks. Brand monitoring tools help you track mentions, reviews, and reputation across the web. Some social media management platforms offer built-in brand monitoring, while others integrate with specialized services. These features help you stay aware of public perception and respond proactively to feedback or crises. If your startup operates internationally, language support is important. Check if the software supports multiple languages for both the interface and content scheduling. This feature helps you reach a global audience and ensures your team can work comfortably in their preferred language. Custom branding features allow you to add your logo, colors, and style to reports or client-facing dashboards. This is especially useful for startups working with clients or partners. Custom branding helps reinforce your identity and presents a professional image to stakeholders. Some social media management tools offer white label solutions, allowing you to fully rebrand the platform for your clients or internal use. This is ideal for agencies or startups offering social media services to others. White label options provide a seamless experience and help you stand out in a competitive market. If you're switching from another tool, data, import, and migration features are important. Check if the software allows you to import existing posts, analytics, or media assets. Smooth migration saves time and ensures you don't lose valuable data during the transition. Automated, scheduled reports can save your team time and keep stakeholders informed. Check if the software allows you to set up recurring reports delivered via email or dashboard. Scheduled reporting ensures everyone stays up to date without manual effort. Before making a final decision, review the software's terms and conditions. Pay attention to data ownership, cancellation policies, and refund terms. Understanding the fine print protects your startup from unexpected issues and ensures you know your rights as a customer. After completing your checklist and reviewing all the details, it's time to make your final choice. Select the social media management software that best fits your startup's needs, budget, and growth plans. Remember, the right tool will help you save time, stay organized, and achieve your social media goals more effectively. Congratulations! You've completed the step-by-step checklist for choosing social media management software for your startup. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to make a smart, strategic decision that supports your growth. Remember to review your choice regularly as your needs evolve, and don't hesitate to explore new tools as your startup scales. Wishing you success on your social media journey.